Do you want to know how to unlock the Crypto.com bonus? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I've been using the Crypto.com app for quite a while and I have several videos about it. And as you maybe know, if you've seen any of those videos, then Crypto.com offers a joining bonus if you join through an invitation link, and you can then get $25 into your account, but there are some requirements to unlock that sign-up bonus, and many viewers have asked me about more details, so therefore I decided to record this video where I will explain exactly how that works so you know what to expect. So before I log into the app, let me just make it clear that this is not a full Crypto.com tutorial. I have that somewhere else. I will leave a link in the top corner so you can check that out if you want to know all the features. Here, I just want to focus on the joining bonus because it is quite important to understand that, and it offers a great joining bonus, but as it is with all other crypto apps, of course, you need to do certain things to activate that joining bonus, and I'll show you and explain exactly how that is done step by step. It's very easy, but it is not for all, so you need to know what to consider, and then you can easily do it if you decide this is for you. I am now logged into the Crypto.com app, and to know more about the bonus you get, we need to talk about the referral system, because as mentioned earlier, you need to join through an invitation link to be able to even qualify for this joining bonus. And there is a button there, it's called Refer and get $25, but you can also go through this menu there and find the referral section. So here you can see that they have this referral program. So that means that someone that is already a member can invite you, and then you will get $25 and that person will get $25. And as I am already a member of it, you can use my invitation code. I will leave that below. You can also just go there and use a referral code. You can see mine here. It's Mike M. If you use that when you're joining, you qualify for this $25 joining bonus. And at the same time, you support me because I will also get a bonus. But as mentioned, there are certain requirements. So let's go a little bit more into details about what you need to do. So I'll just click this Learn More, because then we can go over the terms. So as you can see, Crypto.com describes it like, how does it work? You share your link. So that means if you join through any invitation link, for example, mine that I leave below, or use my code there, then the referred person, that means you, if you join through an invitation link, you get a sign-up bonus, and usually it's these $25. Sometimes they have campaigns where it can be a little bit different there, and you get them in this Crow locked in your Crow wallet. Crow is Crypto.com's own cryptocurrency, but to get that, you see, you need to sign up, you need to pass the KYC, like the identity verification. All legit crypto platforms requires you to do that, and then you need to stay Crow and apply for this Crypto.com visa there. And it sounds maybe complicated and all that. It's actually super easy to do. But as you can see, you need to stay Crow. So what does that actually mean? Let's go over that, because that's a second step. The first step is that you need an invitation code and invitation link. We've covered that already. So now you can see the KYC, the verification, all that. You just join and you just follow through whatever they ask you to do to verify your identity. So now you then need some Crow. So let's go over that. So to be able to stay Crow, meaning that you basically lock your Crow in here, and I'll show you just how easy it is for a certain period of time. You do this also to support the Crypto.com project. So this is something that is only relevant if you actually believe in the Crypto.com app and in its future. Then you can get the Crow, the Crypto.com's own cryptocurrency, stake it here. This will, as you will see, unlock the bonus, and it will also give you some other great benefits. It's not only about these $25 joining bonus, it also has other benefits, and we'll cover those benefits later also. But the first step is that you will need to go, there are many ways to do that in here. They also have the buy option here, or you can go down here to use this one. So we just click to buy, and then you can buy this Kronos, the cryptocurrency. How much you would need depends on what kind of membership level you want. The minimum that you need to stake at the time of recording this video anyways to unlock the bonus is Crow worth of $400. And then some people in the past have said to me, like, why would I spend $400 to get $25. Well, this is a misunderstanding of what staking means. You are not spending $400. You are investing $400 in a cryptocurrency. That is why I mentioned this is only relevant if you believe in it. In general, when you decide what cryptocurrencies to invest in, you need to do research and decide for yourself which projects you believe in. Personally, I did this when I joined because I believed in it, and I had no problem then investing $400. But this is a decision you have to make yourself. I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot tell you how it will go. But if you believe in it, then you can invest it. You're not spending it. You have crow worth of those that amount of money. So if it increases in value, your investment will also increase. But of course, if it decreases, so will your investment. That's how it is with any investment, also especially with cryptos, because it can go up and down. But this is just very important to understand. You're not spending money to get a joining bonus. You're investing. So that's why you need to make the decision whether you think this is something to invest in or not. But in addition to then getting these $25 as a joining bonus there, you also get other benefits. And that's related to this next step, which was to then get this Crypto.com Visa card. So let's just talk about how to get that, because that's the final step, because that's where you will actually stake these Crow and unlock this Visa card, and then you will get your joining bonus. So inside the app, there's a card section, and I do have a card, so I cannot apply for it here, but you can see there's something up there. But if you come here and you don't have a card, it will tell you what you need to do. So we can look over the different options, because there's different Crypto.com Visa cards. These are free to get, but you need to stake to get some of them. So let's go over these different options. You see, I have a card here. This is a virtual card. I also have a physical card. I also have a video where I talk more about that. I will leave a link in the top corner to a video I have about this Visa card and talk more about the benefits of that. But just quickly to do that here, you can see this is what's called the Ruby card. This is where I staked $400 to get this. I got it both virtually but also physically, so you can use it to use your crypto, or like as any other Visa card in any online shop, any offline shop. And once you activate this, get minimum this card here, you will also unlock your bonus. But let's talk about these different card options that you can choose between. So you see these different options that you need to stake to get certain cards. This is the first card there. And that's where I said, like, it's around $400 you would need to stake there. Again, if you just go to that card section, it will tell you exactly what to do. It's a few clicks you need to do once you have this Crow there, and then you can activate it. And you see, you would actually get, 100% cashback on Spotify and additional card cashback. That means that when you use the card, you will also earn crypto into your account at the same time. And if you get another card, like one of the higher cards, they have different levels, as you can see. But of course, that requires around $4,000 worth of staking, 35,000 there, euros, or $350,000 worth of euros or Crow. So that's a lot. So that's of course only if you really know what you're doing and you really want to invest in this. But then it also gives some great benefits. You see, for example, you're getting like extra rewards, airport lounges, crypto earn, like meaning when you just leave cryptos in here, you can earn more. You get 100% cash back for Spotify and Netflix. You see next where, so they give like some really great rewards, some of these, right? But this is just something you need to know of. To unlock your joining bonus, you need to get at least this card here. And in addition to then getting the $25 joining bonus, you will also get these benefits. So to sum it all up, it's not difficult to unlock the Crypto.com joining bonus, but it is not for all. As you can see, there are a few steps. They are super easy if you just know what you need to do, and just follow the steps I showed here. You first of all need an invitation code. I'll leave mine below. Then you need to just verify your identity. Just follow the steps they ask you. Then you need to get some Crow because you need to stake the Crypto.com cryptocurrency. As mentioned, you're not spending money, you are investing. So this is only if you believe in the project. I will leave that up to you to make your own decision about which cryptocurrencies you want to invest in or not. But this is a requirement to unlock the bonus. And then the final step is to then order one of these Crypto.com Visa cards. They are free to get the Visa cards and to have, but you need to have this number of Crow staked. You saw there are different options. In addition to the joining bonus, the different cards also give different other opportunities and benefits. And so many people have asked me to do an updated video that explains the exact steps to unlock this crypto.com bonus. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, then make sure to hit the like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.